Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself, Neeraj sir. As a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, today we are going to start half-yearly syllabus of Class 6 Maths, Chapter 2, Playing with Numbers, and this is last video. This is part 4th video. In this chapter, today's topic is exercise 2.4 remaining part. Okay, yes student, question number 7, exercise 2.4. Find the SCF by prime factorization and division method. We have to solve both prime factorization and division method. So first see here, we have to find out SCF of 12, 20, 36 by prime factorization. So first we taking out prime factorization of all these three numbers. First number is 12, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 20, 2 10 is 20, 2 5 is 10, 5 1 is 5, 36, 2 18 is 36, 2 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. So we can write 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5, like that, and 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here you see common factor is 2, these 2 and these 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So SCF of 12, 20 and 36 is 4. And this is prime factorization method. Now see here by division method. First we have to find out SCF of these two numbers, 12 and 20. 12 1 is 12, 8, 8 1 is 8, 4, 4 2 is 8. So 4 is the SCF of 12 and 20. SCF of 12 and 20 is 4. Is 4. Now 4 and 36, last number. 4 9 is 36. So this is the final SCF. So SCF of 12, 20, 36 is 4. See one more question. C part 15, 25, 145. We have to find out SCF of these numbers. So by prime factorization method, first 15, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5, 25, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5, 145, 5 29 is 145, 29 1 is 29. So we can write 15 equal to 3 into 5, like that, 25 equal to 5 into 5, 145 equal to 5 into 29. So see here highest common factor is 5. So SCF of 15, 25, 145 is 5, and this is the final answer. For other method, that is by division method, first we have to find out these two numbers SCF. As we have to find out SCF of 15, 25. So 15 1 is 15, 10 remainder, 10 divided by 15, 10 1 is 10, 5, again 10, 5 2 is 10. So SCF of 15, 25, 5. Now 5 and 145. So 5 29 is 145. So SCF of 15, 25, 145 is 5. See here, both the answers are same, but methods are different. Yes, question 8. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Like SCF, in LCM also there are two methods. First prime factorization and second division method. So a student used to solve LCM by division method. So here you see B part 9 and 27. I am also using division method. 9, 27 first you write here. Now divide it by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 9 is 27. Again 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. Again 3. This is 1 and 3 1 is 3. So here you see 1 1 is there. So LCM of 9 and 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 9, 9 3 are 27. And this is the final answer. See one more question, D part. 13 and 19 1. 13 91 by 7 13 13. 13 7 is 91. 13 1 is 13, 13 1 is 13. So LCM of 7 and 13 equal to 7 into 13, that is 91, and this is the final answer. So remaining part you have to solve. Yes student, earlier you have seen LCM by division method. Now in question 9 find the LCM using prime factorization. So 82 and 92 we have to find out LCM by prime factorization method. So see here, first we have to find out 82 prime factorization. 241 ja 82 41 1 ja 41. Now 92 246 ja 92 223 ja 90 46 23 1 ja 23. So we can write 82 equal to 2 into 41. 92 equal to 2 into 2 into 23. Now LCM of 82 and 92. See here, we have 2, 23, 41 factors are there. So two factors, here 1, 2 and here 2, 2. So we have to take highest. So we have to take 2 into 2. We write here 2 into 2. Then 23 single. So 23. 41 is single, 41. When we multiply 2 into 2 into 23 into 41, answer is 3772, and this is the final answer. See one more question. C part. We have to find out LCM of 125, 175 and 200 by prime factorization method. So first of all we have to taken out their prime factorization. So 125, 525 is 125, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5, 175, 535 is 175, 5 7 is 35, 7 1 is 7, 200, 200 is 200, 2 into 50, 100, 2 into 25, 55 into 5, 25, 5 1 is 5. So we write here 125 equal to 5 into 5 into 5, like that. Next 175 equal to 5 into 5 into 7. 200 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So we write like that. Now see here, two factors. 1, 2, 3. 3 2's are there, so we write here 3 2's. Next 5. Highest 5 is 3 5. So we write 3 5's multiply. Here 2 5's, here 2 5's, here 3 5's. Now 7 is single, so we write here 7. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, 42 ja 200, 205 ja 1000, 1007 ja 7000. So 7000 is the final answer. Yes student, question 11. In a long jump, 3 boys jump together from a particular spot. One boy covers a distance of 10 cm. Second covers 50 cm. Third covers 70 cm. Find out the minimum distance. See here student, here written minimum distance. Minimum means LCM. Least means LCM. And if here maximum is there, so we have to find out SCM. Here written minimum, so we have to find out LCM. So minimum distance is should cover so that all can cover the distance in a complete distance. So firstly we have to find out LCM of 10 cm, 50 cm and 70 cm. Why? Because it is written here minimum distance. So find out 10, 50, 70 LCM. This is 350. So LCM of 10, 50 and 70 is 350. So required minimum distance is 350 centimeter. 350 centimeter distance is should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete distance. Okay student? Yes, student, question 13. Find the greatest number which will be divided 45, 72, 999, leaving remainder 5, 2 and 9. So, first we have to subtract the remainder. 45 leaving remainder 5, so 45 minus 5, 40. 72 leaving remainder 2, so 72 minus 2, 70. 999 leaving remainder 9, so 999 minus 9, 990. Now we have three numbers 40, 70, 990. So here you see greatest number. So we have to find out greatest means yes SCF, and least number means LCM, minimum LCM, highest SCF. So we have to find out SCF of 40, 70, 990. So first we have to find SCF of these two numbers 40, 70. 41 ja 40, 30, 31 ja 30, 10, 10 3 ja 30. So 10 is the SCF of 40, 70. Now 10 and 990. So 10 is the SCF of 10 and 990. So SCF of 40, 70, 990 is 10. So required greatest number is 10. So 10 is the greatest number which will be divide these three numbers, leaving remainder this. Okay, you can check also your answer. Yes, student, last question, part 4. Question number 15. Find the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 5, 10 and 20. So to find out the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 5, 10 and 20, firstly we will have to determine LCM of these numbers 5, 10, 20. So first we have to find out LCM. 5, 10, 20. 2, 5, 2, 5 is 10, 2, 10 is 20. 2, 5, 5, 2, 5 is 10. 5, 1, 1, 1. So LCM of 5, 10, 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. 2, 2 is 4, 5 is 20. Now the smallest three-digit number is 100. So a smallest three-digit number is 100. So when we divide 100 by 20, it's exactly divisible by 20. So required smallest three-digit number is 100. So this is the last question. You have to solve remaining parts. Okay, students. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.